Getting a matter that has occurred here with the seriousness that it deserves, because it is not something that we would expect it to happen in a designated place like this. And beyond that, we are also scaling up this security just to ensure that something like that does not happen in future. But in the meantime, we'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that has occurred here a few minutes ago. So I just want to assure our members that your safety is secured, and at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom line of it.
There's a bit of a problem here. So nikakuja niangalie, but as you are very security agencies can take the matter up and do the necessary action in this subject matter.
Yeah.
Yes, we leave it to them. It's of course unfortunate, very, very unfortunate, but we leave it to them to make a decision as to what took place and what to do going forward.
We were informed when we were on session. We came out as honorary members. We confirmed, and we have called the security agency here. They are here. They are going to start investigating immediately, because anywhere in the world, the assembly is the most protected area. We don't expect this kind of an event in the assembly.
But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives. Because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement, we want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
The God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.